Hi, I just thought I'd share with you one of my art goals for the year of 2019. It's to try to paint at least one sky a day. At least one, even if it's a really quick sketch. Sometimes it could be a longer sketch, just whatever, to try and paint the sky from real life or from imagination every day is something that I think will be really good practice for me, and I think would be very good practice for anybody who wants to add atmosphere to their watercolour paintings, just to look up at the sky and think about it and just practice with a quick painting every day and just see what happens. I think you'll be amazed at how fast you'll improve. Here are a few of my skies that I have painted over the last few days. I'm thoroughly enjoying it and really learning so much from just forcing myself to paint a sky every day. When I say forcing myself, it's a real pleasure. I really enjoy painting skies. I'll be back soon in a few days showing you how I paint another one of my stormy skies. So see you soon. Take care.